says grill trays are just for barbecues? Let's turn this Dollar Tree find into a holiday showstopper. Let's go. For this amazing project, you'll need a pack of 2 grill trays from Dollar Tree. Guys, I promise this Christmas decor hack will shock you. The first thing I'm going to do is fold the first tray in half and repeat the same step to the second one, and then go back and spread the sides apart as I'm showing you. You want to create an L-shaped form. Next, bring both trays together and use zip ties to attach them. So far, I added 2 zip ties. I'll continue to add more as I go. I'm going to add 2 more zip ties and the frame will be completed. Next, I'm going to wrap my present with shelf liner. I know it sounds crazy, but I promise it's going to look really nice when I'm done. I'm going to start by laying the frame on top of the liner, then adding the hot glue along the edge of the frame, then bringing the liner over it. I'll continue to follow the same steps on each side until I cover the entire frame with the liner. For this project, it's better to use a hot glue gun that has a low setting. That way the glue doesn't run down as you apply it to the frame. I find that when the glue isn't that hot, it's better to work with in certain projects such as this one. Next, I'm going to trim off the excess liner. I'm going to add a strand of fairy lights to the inside of the frame. I'll be attaching them by using some hot glue in low setting. Now I'm going to close one end of the frame with a piece of liner. As I'm cutting around, I make sure I get as close to the edge as possible. I don't want any overhang material to show. And remember, I'm only covering one side because one side needs to be open for the light switch. Next, it's time to make this frame look like a Christmas present by adding some ribbon on each side and then adding a bow to the top. This is such a fun and creative Christmas decor. Friends and family will think it's store-bought. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you love easy DIYs and fun holiday makeovers, make sure to like, follow, and come back for more Christmas decor hacks. See you on the next one. Merry Christmas and God bless.